randoms, welcome back to our channel. We're doing another video to firework and bathroom prank. Whoa, this escalated.
Okay, let's see how this is gonna be.
It's so wrong. That's not funny.
What's good, the marker? You feel me? You know, I'm back with another video. You feel me? And today, I'm about to do the firework bathroom prank. Yes, I'm the first nigga to do this. As you can see, I got some poppers right here. Basically, what these is you throw them on the ground and they just pop instantly type shit. This shit's gonna take all day for them already knowing. The niggas gonna be coming in the bathroom for real type shit.
Yeah, here, baby.
Like he's saying.
Break time, Julie. Check your break time.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Fireworks right here.
You ever sit there? That sucks.
Wait for somebody to come in the store.
Yep.
Dang, you put them pants down to your
He's
ankles.
watching everybody. Pause.
Okay, what's up?
Watch him put toilet paper on his seat.
This is getting like
Weird.
balls backwards weird.
First of all, I didn't know men be doing that too. Cause
Okay.
us women do that.
I do that too.
You do that?
Yeah.
If I ever really use it in a public area, if I ever really use it, I choose not
I
to.
didn't
Yeah.
Gotta do that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
But
sit
why
my
don't-
behind the other behinds. And dudes are
I don't
filthy.
think that sexist matter on that.
Well, men believe men are more nasty.
Men are more nasty.
No, it's not sexist for us to put tissue down.
No, I'm glad to see it.
Yeah, it is good to
They
see
don't
it.
talk about it.
Yeah.
They
True.
just, and you just told me. Okay.
Yeah, I do if I have to you know, go out.
That's good to
But
see.
why he recording them doing it?
Man,
And number two, who wore them little shoes? I didn't know guys wear those.
yeah, they do.
Yeah.
In all colors.
I thought you wore that at
comfortable.
restaurants.
They comfortable.
Okay.
Them boys comfortable.
Everybody, them
You ever put
Uggs.
them on?
Not Uggs.
And
What is they called?
I never put them on. I never did try.
I forgot what they
That was my first time
called.
putting it
Them
on
things
last year.
expensive too.
2 years ago? That was my first time putting it on.
I love the shoes fresh.
That's old school right there. Boy.
What in the...
Ugg slides. Oh,
Boy.
You walking like it too. You look like you tired.
He like he uncomfortable. He got those Samoa shoes that don't fit.
yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
No. He chilling. Oh, then wait. Yeah, it is fake.
He had his drawers on.
Yeah.
Who
Exactly.
uses a bathroom with on drawers?
Exactly.
Why say it like that? He's smoking.
I didn't know that shit was gonna be that loud, bro. My ears is ringing. What the? Hey, chill out.
What?
Little-
What was he doing? He just hit under the...
But his shoe, that's
This gotta be fake.
yeah, that's just. I don't care about stuff I want to really say.
You good?
That was some weird stuff.
This is right. It's got my phone.
That's not how fireworks work, nigga. What? That's not how they work. What you mean that's not how they work? They don't just fall to fucking pop through that shit, nigga. How you gonna tell me that shit fell in my pocket, bro? What the fuck? Nigga, that don't make sense. What, nigga? Calm down, bro. It's
You
just a
wasn't from
firework that just
Atlanta.
fell in my pocket. This was YouTube or TikTok or some shit, nigga? Nigga, I don't even do YouTube or TikTok. What's wrong with you?
Type.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Damn.
That's what
Get
it's
off
tough
that
in
dirty
Atlanta.
floor.
Man, that one is
That's
so...
so fake. That's his friend. Ooh, the
Like, you use the bathroom with your underwear, bro?
Oh, this shit loud as hell. I'm finna be done, oh.
He from Atlanta.
it echoed.
They be talking crazy.
That shit fell in my pocket, bro.
Well, what?
Yeah, Atlanta.
Oh, it was just a
They
fucking
talk
prank.
like that.
Where you finna break the door?
You know, that's right.
Hey, chill out,
So
nigga.
cheesy.
Man, my head started hurting. And this shit finna give me copyright, this loud ass music and shit. I told you it's all in my pocket, bro. How many times I gotta say that shit? You gotta bust my eardrum.
That's true.
That shit loud as fuck. My fault? Damn, it fell out my pocket, nigga. What the fuck you want me to do? My fault, bro.
Who is deaf?
Oh.
And
You don't know
hey,
what's in that boy.
hold on. Wait.
Paper towel.
You missed, nigga.
Where you find that from?
Yeah.
Freaking ignorant.
No, so childish.
Just don't run away like that.
Oh, wait, lost his man.
Boy, that was a portal
boy.
thing.
Yeah, that was.
Oh, boy.
Don't record late at night.
Yeah, oh.
My bad, gang.
My bad, gang.
You say you was slapping me. Nigga, I said my bag fell out my pocket, nigga. What the fuck you mean you gonna slap me?
Why your boots look stubby? What are you talking about?
Oh, for real,
Yeah,
bro.
he just look mellow.
What the? This is so cheesy. And he taller than I thought. He had little foot. Stay bald. Did you just touch your booty? He touched his booty and then you.
If you enjoyed that video, man, smash the like button.
No.
We gone.
What's that? Oh, a fake snake.
Yeah.
Don't be messing with people's bowels. That's not funny. Oh, he did a lot of them.
That's why he paid them.
I can't. Yeah, he paid them because some of that was just.
Take. Man, he about to maybe go to Atlanta mode. They be talking crazy in Atlanta, man.
Yeah.
Sylvester in Atlanta.
Georgia.
Albany, too.
That's Georgia.
Albany do be on it.
Yeah, they ain't talking backwards up there.
Yeah, it's country people. Every state got their lingo.
Woo! Savannah is with them too, though.
Mm.
Savannah ain't that
It
bad.
ain't that bad.
Country
Yeah.
folk.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know. We hope y'all enjoyed this fake stuff.
Fake pranks.